You don't want me to leave, dog? You're just being the cutest thing in the world, right? What are you doing? That's my bag. What are you smelling? What are you doing? Hey. Hey. Come here. You are so cute, dog. Hey, look at the camera. Hey, hey, hey. There you go. You're so funny. Say hi. You like the camera? You like it? Mom. He keeps tugging on mine.
He wants to come.
What are you doing, dog? You're so adorable. Jet. Little Jet. Little Jet. He likes the camera.
See, that's a difference.
Aww.
Oh,
Hey,
that's so cute.
He grabbed my teething. Let's check it out. Get some teeth there.
Let me see yours.
He is so cute. Oh, he's a big monster. Oh. Aww. What are you doing? Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. No? Can you get up on the couch yet? What are you doing, dog? Puppy. Don't you pee. Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Can you have it to me? Thank you. Thank you. Good boy.
Give it a squeak. Oh, okay. Ready? Go get it. He goes that way. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh. Go get it. Beat her. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Okay, no ADD. Bring it back. Yes, yes. Good job. Good job. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Nah, he lost interest.
He loses his attention.
And that's Baby Jet.